Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students who are listening to me. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Well, I am your English teacher and my name is Miss Anila Raza. Okay, so my kids, do you know what we are going to study today? Look here on your screens. Present continuous tense. Today we are going to study present continuous tense. Okay? But before starting this tense, let's just review what is tense. Tense means, in grammar, tense is a category that expresses time in which the action is done. Okay? In grammar, what is tense? The category that expresses time in which the action is done. Remember, tense means वो time जिस पे वो action किया गया हो. Okay, tense means the time in which the action is done. Okay, now moving further. How many types of tenses do we have? 3 types of tenses: past, present, फ्यूचर. वो काम जो हम कर चुके हैं, that comes in past. वो काम जो हम कर रहे हैं, that comes in present tense. And the work, that the action we are going to do in future are in future tense. Okay? Today we are going to study present continuous tense. Okay. First, I'll just tell you the use of present continuous tense कि हम इस tense को use कब करते हैं. Present continuous tense is used to talk about an action which is happening at the time of speaking or going to be done in near future. Okay? When do we use present continuous tense? When we talk about an action which is happening at the time of speaking or going to be done in near future. Okay, हम present continuous tense को तब use करते हैं जब हम उस action पर बात कर रहे हो जो हम at the time of speaking कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? For example, I am talking, I am explaining. ठीक है? या at the time of speaking मैं ये काम कर रही हूँ. And the second is going to be done in near future. या फिर आप उसको in near future करने वाले हैं. Okay? There we use present continuous tense. Now, let's just have the example. First, we have the example of the action that is happening at the time of speaking. I am dancing. For example, if I am dancing, तो at the time of dancing, मैं ये action बोलूँगी, मैं ये sentence बोलूँगी, I am dancing. This is happening at the time of speaking, right? Second is, she is sleeping. Okay? She is sleeping. Now let's just have the examples of the actions to be done in near future. She is going to school today. वो आज स्कूल जा रही है. मतलब in near future वो ये action करेगी. She is going to school today. Fine. The next example is, they are leaving for Lahore tomorrow. वो कल लाहौर के लिए जा रहे हैं. They are leaving for Lahore tomorrow. Okay. So these 2 examples are of the actions to be done in near future. Okay, I hope you all have got it. Now moving further, here we have the structure of present continuous tense. First we have subject, then we have helping verb, that is, am, are. Plus we have verb with ing, like sleeping, playing, jogging, dancing, eating. Okay. Then we have object. Now, you have to choose between these 3 कि आपको is use करना है, am use करना है या are use करना है. But how you will choose it? Again, there are the rules of writing is, am, are. Here are the rules. With I, you use am. Okay, if the subject is I, तो आप यूज करेंगे am. I am sleeping. I am drinking. I am dancing. Oh, got it? Then we have the word is. If your subject is she or he or any singular noun, तो आप यूज करेंगे is. She is sleeping. He is fighting. Ali is crying. Zara is skipping. Got it? Then we have are. We use are with the subject you, they or any plural subject. ठीक है? If the subject is they, you या फिर any plural, then you use are. For example, you are fighting. They are studying. Ali and Zara are walking. Okay? I hope you all have got it. I am. She is. He is. Zara is. You are. They are. Ali and Zara are. Got it? Now moving further. उर्दू पहचान. अब आप लोग इसको उर्दू में कैसे पहचानेंगे बेटा कि ये सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का है. So here I am sharing the उर्दू पहचान of these sentences with you. जिन जुमलों के आखिर में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह लफ्ज आते हैं, वो जुमले प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के जुमले कहे जाते हैं. ओके? जिन जुमलों के आखिर में क्या आएगा? रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, तो वो सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का होगा. जैसे वो सो रहा है, वो भाग रही है, वो खेल रहे हैं. ठीक है? नाउ रहा है इज यूज्ड फॉर बॉय. वो सो रहा है मीन्स कि बॉय की बात हो रही है ना. अब बॉय की बात भी आप दो कंडीशंस में हो सकती है, या तो ही या उसका नेम होगा. राइट? इफ देयर इज ही तो आपका सेंटेंस ऐसा होगा, वो खाना खा रहा है. अब हमें तो वर्ड रहा बता रहा है कि ये लड़का है. राइट? तो हम यहाँ ही यूज करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें यहाँ रहा वर्ड बता रहा है कि ये एक लड़के की बात हो रही है. वो खाना खा रहा है. He is eating food. He के साथ is यूज करते हैं. राइट? And the verb is with ing. He is eating food. Then if we have the name of the boy, Ali खाना खा रहा है. Now again the word raha is showing कि a subject कोई लड़का है. Right? And see, subject हमारा लड़का है Ali. So how we'll write? Ali is eating food. When the subject is singular, तो हम यहाँ is use करेंगे. Right? And again ing with the verb Ali is eating food. Got it? Now let's just move on to the next slide. रही है. We use रही है with girl. Okay, now again girl के लिए भी दो words use होते हैं. She and other one is her name. Right? If there is she, तो sentence में हम कैसे पता चलेगा कि यहाँ she है? वो भाग रही है. When we have रही है in the sentence, तो ये रही हमें बता रहा है कि एक लड़की की बात हो रही है, कि ये वो एक लड़की है. So we'll write she. She is running. वो भाग रही है. She is running. And if there is the name of girl, for example, सारा भाग रही है, तो it means Sarah is girl, right? तभी हमने यहाँ रही है लिखा है. So how we'll translate it? Sarah is running. I have missed is here. I'll write it like this. Sarah is running. Okay, Sarah is running. Now let's just move on to the next slide. Here we have रहे हैं. रहे हैं. Now रहे हैं is used for the plural subject, जिसमें boys या girls या any plural subject होगा, right? अब बॉयज और गर्ल्स के लिए हम प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के लिए दे यूज करते हैं या फिर उनके नेम्स यूज करते हैं, राइट? इफ देयर इज दे तो सेंटेंस में कैसे लिखा होगा? वो लड़ रहे हैं. रहे हैं इज यूज फॉर बॉयज. वो लड़ रही है इज यूज फॉर गर्ल्स. ओके, रहे हैं. अच्छा, है वर्ड is showing कि ये plural है, right? और रहे word is showing कि ये boys है, रही word is showing कि ये girls हैं, right? Now वो लड़ रहे हैं, वो लड़ रही हैं. They are fighting. दोनों की translations कैसे होगी? They are fighting. Okay? वो they रहे हैं are लड़ fighting. They are fighting. Okay. Then comes the name. सारा और अली लड़ रहे हैं. सारा और अली लड़ रहे हैं. So how will you write it? Sarah and Ali are fighting. Sarah and Ali are fighting. Got it? Now let's just move on to next slide. Here we have the translations. So let's just translate it. First sentence is परिंदे उड़ रहे हैं. परिंदे उड़ रहे हैं. रहे हैं is showing कि ये बहुत सारे birds हैं, जो कि परिंदे word भी show कर रहे हैं, right? So how will write? Birds. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. क्योंकि ये plural था. Birds, that's why we have used are here. Okay? Then वो आज बाजार जा रहा है. जा रहा है. तो word रहा है is telling us कि ये वो एक लड़का है. Okay? वो आज बाजार जा रहा है. He is going to market today. He is going to market today. Okay? Then comes डाकू घर में खिड़की से दाखिल हो रहा है. अब अगेन हो रहा इज हमें यहाँ से भी पता चल रहा है कि ये एक कोई मैन है और डाकू ऑब्वियसली एक आदमी होता है, तो इसलिए we can just ठीक है, this is used for man. So how we'll write it? The robber is entering the house from the window. The robber is entering the house from the window. Okay, now let's just move on to our next slide. Okay, here we have three more translations. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. मैं means I. तो ये रहा हूँ means कि ये कोई लड़का बता रहा है कि मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. So how will write it? I am looking for my watch. I के साथ we use am, right? I am looking for my watch. Then we have हम एक नई किताब छाप रहे हैं. हम एक नई किताब छाप रहे हैं. So how will write it? रहे हैं कि ये बहुत सारे लोग हैं और हम भी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं कि ये बहुत सारे लोग हैं. So how will write हम? We. हम means we. हम एक नई किताब छाप रहे हैं. We are printing a new book. We are printing a new book. Okay. Here we have बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. It is drizzling. It is drizzling. Okay. I hope you all are getting it. Translations are something, tenses are something like that, बेटा जो आपको practice से आएंगे. Okay. So you have to practice it more and more. Okay. Now here we have the exercise in which we have to make the sentence in present continuous tense. Okay, number one, they dash the football. Here we have to use the verb play, but in present continuous tense. So how we'll write it? Present continuous tense में तो verb ing के साथ होता है ना, so we'll write play की जगह क्या होगा? Playing. But they के साथ क्या आएगा? Is, am or are? They is playing, they are playing, they am playing. They are playing the football. They are playing the football. Very good. Now here we have he. So subject is he and the verb is sing. तो हम verb को तो सबसे पहले ing लगाएंगे and we'll use it as singing. Now he is singing, he are singing, he am singing. He is singing. Okay, very good. Now number 3, she dash read a book. Now read will become reading. She is reading a book. She are reading a book. She is reading a book. Then comes Tom. Tom jump. Jump will become jumping. Now Tom is jumping. Tom are jumping. Tom am jumping. Tom is jumping. My mom make a cake for me. My mom making. My mom is making a cake for me. My mom are making a cake for me. My mom is making a cake for me. Moving on to our next slide. Here we have Martin dash play the guitar. Okay, so play will become playing. Now Martin is playing the guitar. Martin am playing the guitar. Martin is playing the guitar. The chef dash cook. Cook will become cooking. The chef is cooking. The chef are cooking. Chef singular है ना? So the chef is cooking. Okay. Number 8. They dash ride a bike in the garden. Ride, here the verb is ride. So the verb ride will become riding. Now, they are riding a bike. They is riding a bike. हमारा जो subject है वो plural है. So we'll use are with it. They are riding a bike in the garden. Then we have the bird dash fly. Fly will become flying. Now the bird is flying or the bird are flying. हमारा bird is singular, so we'll use is with it. The bird is flying. Then we have we make a snowman. We make will change it into making. We are making a snowman. We is making a snowman. We is plural, so we are going to use are with it. Okay, we are making a snowman. I hope you all have got it. What is continuous tense? Okay, just remember 2 things that in continuous tense, if it is in Urdu, तो आपको उसकी निशानी बता दी गई है कि sentence के end में रहा है, रही है, रहे है होगा. And if it is in English, so you have to keep this in mind कि continuous tense में the verb is always with ing. Okay, the verb is always with ing. और जब आप ing वाला verb use करते हैं तो उससे पहले एक helping verb use होगा जो कि is, am और are में से कोई होगा. ठीक है, वो आप किसकी बेसिस पे सेलेक्ट करेंगे? अपने सब्जेक्ट की बेस पे. अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो यू विल यूज is. अगर प्लूरल है तो यू विल यूज are. And if your subject is I, तो you will use am. Got it? Just review it again and again and also share it with your parents. Okay? Thank you for listening to your teacher. We'll meet in next class. Till then, take care a lot.